anyways, let's move on to listening, fill in the blanks. Let's try.
The free phone is the doctors have been concerned for.
Let's say benefit.
Obviously, this is all relevant to your final assignment. So we're going to talk about it. So until today, we've gone through face-to-face interviews as the main sort of part of interviewing the window. Today we're going to have a look at going to use an email and why they work, why they don't necessarily work, and what are the challenges and some of the things that we need to be understanding, when we are completing such interpreters. So let's start with the foreign one. Obviously, there are a few benefits to them, and they are listed there up on that slide. It's obviously less stressful for those of you who might be a little bit anxious about interviewing.
Anxious. I think this anxious is correct. Benefits, anxious, challenges, assignment without E. Assignment, final assignment. What are challenges? Plural. Benefits, plural also. There are a few benefits. Anxious, I think this is the correct spelling of anxious. Let's submit and see. Bismillah. Yep. Assignment, challenges, benefit, anxious. Okay. Let's try another one.
Doctor.
The Earth is warming. Almost all the Arctic summer ice may have melted by the end of the century, claims the Intergovernmental Panel on Climate Change, the IPCC. The upside: access to an estimated quarter of the world's oil and gas resources, and the opening of the fabled Northwest Passage. The downside: the Arctic wilderness is lost as neighboring countries, Denmark and Greenland, Russia, Canada, Norway, and the United States all race to share in this bounty.
Neighboring, I think neighbor. I don't know if it is correct or no. No, it is EI. Neighboring. I think it is correct. Access, summer. Share. I doubt in this spelling. I don't know why. Okay, let's submit and see. What? Off. You can see because this is the first word in the statement. I didn't put it in the capital letter, so it gives me wrong. Okay. But neighboring is correct. This is the most important. Access, okay.
Doctor.
Along the way, we have built unashamedly beautiful buildings, 2 of which have won and been runner-up in the prestigious United Nations World Habitat Award, the first time an Australian building has received that international honor. We rely on older concepts of Australian architecture that are heavily influenced by the bush. All residents have private verandas which allow them to socialize outdoors and also create some defensible space between their bedrooms and public areas. We use a lot of natural or soft materials and build beautiful landscape gardens.
Socialize. I think by Z. Concepts. No. Concepts like this. Habitat. Unashamed. I didn't hear this word very clearly actually. We have built beautiful building. I didn't catch it. Unashamed. I don't know what it is. Ashamed. Let's see. Let's try. Ashamed. Okay, this is ashamed. Unashamed. Maybe. I don't know. Actually, this word probably is wrong. Habitat, concepts, socialized, natural. I think they are both correct. Let's try. Oops! Two. Oh. Concept by C. I forgot. I wrote it by S. And habitat again. Again, this concept, because United Nations World Habitat Awards should be in capital. Unashamedly. Unashamedly. Okay. Unashamedly. Habitat by capital letter in front, because this is like words of a word. Concept C, not S. Correct. Socialize, natural. Damn. I'll put this, of course. Orange flag. Of course, orange flag. I'll try another one. Last one. Let's see.
Doctor.
Easy means it's difficult.
In animals, a movement is coordinated by a cluster of neurons in the spinal cord called the central contract pattern generator, or CPG. This produces signals that drive muscles to contract rhythmically in a way that produces running or walking, depending on the pattern of pulse. A simple signal from the brain instructs the CPG to switch between modes, such as going from standstill to walking.
These modes, not this one. I think he means these modes, this kind of modes, because such are going from a standstill to walking. The machine mode, pattern, contract. Let's try. Yes. Modes. He means these modes, not the other mode. Correct. Okay. Another one. Let's see.
Doctors.
Shakespeare.
For all his fame and celebration, William Shakespeare remains a mysterious figure with regards to personal history. There are just two primary sources for information on the bard: his works and various legal and church documents that have survived from Elizabethan times. Naturally, there are many gaps in this body of information, which tells us little about Shakespeare the man.
I think this was church. I don't know. Church, maybe. Church documents. He said it so quickly. Mysterious. This is wrong. Mysterious. Church. Gaps. Sources. Let's see. Yup. What? Sources. Church. Oh, this kind of mistake killing me actually. That I'm writing too quickly and don't revise the spelling. Because everyone should revise the spelling very much. Revising it twice, third times before doing next. Okay, that's enough for today. Thank you very much for watching.